This is a hinge, the back of the GT40, and it sits here and mounts to the body shell there, and then obviously pivots there with some brackets, and that's how it opens up. This actual one is not going on because it looks horrible. It's got self-tappers in it, it's rusty, so Jay, the fabricator, is going to make a Bobby Dazzler one for us. That can go with. I hope I didn't need that.
Hello, sir. Can you please fix?
I'll fix it. What's it for? Tailgate on GT40?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can sort that. We'll make it out. I think we'll do it. We'll do it out of stainless because I'm not liking these rusts. And see, we're doing a new build on it. I'll do it out of stainless. I've got my little jig going on. So what we'll do it out of 19mm solid bar, stainless bar. I've come up with an idea what we're going to do. We're still going to plate it, so it's going to be on for liftable on 2 inches. If you look at the old one, shocking, put together, a few wood screws, horrendous. Just that's just keep the hinge in place. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do it out of some stainless. So I've got myself here some nice 19mm solid stainless bar. And I've took myself some measurements, written them all down. I'll just get my measurements for you. As you see on that other one, it was rolled. I'm not going to roll it, I'm just going to finish it off. Straight square angle, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to plate it and put some nice holes in, which I'll show you later. So first now, we're going to do my first cut. 170. So we'll do, we'll put it in there, put them together, clamp them up. Right, we'll let that cool down. And just as you saw on the old one, obviously it's got some plates here which are bolted to the back end of the boot. So what I did earlier, I made some stainless brackets for inside and outside, just to make sure it gives it its strength. So I made the brackets, so when I've welded and cleaned, what we'll do, we'll put these on, get them into situ, weld it, and let's go try the product when we've done. We've got the old one in. We've built a little jig round it, so we can't get it wrong as you do. So we've got us brackets. So I'm going to take this off now, put my own brackets in, just tack it, and have a pre-fit to make sure it fits all right, and then we'll take it from there and see how it fits. Drop the plates in, and that's how it's sitting. So as we're in there, fits in smoothly to the jig, exactly like we wanted it done. So what we'll do, we'll line it up to where it should be. Be at that side. At that side. So what we'll do, we'll tack it, we'll take it to the car, we'll have a pre-fit, see how it's done, and we'll take it from there, see how it fits. Hopefully, touch wood, it should be all good. Let's see how it fits. As I come here, my assistant will give me an hand.
Assistant, idiot.
And my partner here. I'm just going to try now and have a look. Moment of truth.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, fits like a glove.
Like you knew.
Looking there, it fits. Then we'll try it on GT40, see how it fits. If it fits nice, take it off, fully weld it, pucker. Right, that's bad enough.
You rolled up.
We'll try it, make sure it fits. So when them plates are on, what we've got here, if you look at this back end, we're still to fab some plates, as you see where the bar is, where it's sat on, where it's going to be hinged at both sides. What we've got there, we're going to put some plates here with some nice holes in on there just to finish it off, which will finish that gap off, so when you're looking at it, it will look done, finished and done properly, the Yorkshire way. As you know, we've got the piece and we've test fitted it on the vehicle and it's a perfect fit. So now we're going to just take it off, sit it in jig and weld it up, clean it up, have it painted and put it on the vehicle. And as you saw, these plinths, what we're making, just to finish it off, just to give it a bit of a look and a bit of a feel, so it looks like it's finished. So it's not just cut off to a bit of a stainless tube, cut, welded, put on. Just put these plinths on with a nice hole in the middle, just to give it a theatrical look. So make it look spectacular in a sense. And as you saw earlier, when I've welded it up, I've brought it, put it into situ with my partner here, and as you can see, beautiful. And as I was saying, just gives it that excellent. As you see, perfect. And that's me checking out till the next one.